Need a simple way to keep your meeting minutes organized? Sometimes the best solution is the most simple one. Google Docs makes it easy to capture notes, track agenda items, and keep everything in one place. Here's how to use Google Docs to create organized, easy-to-share meeting minutes. First, head to your Google Docs. From there, you can either start with a blank document or choose a template to speed things up. If you're a Google Workspace user, you can create a Google Docs meeting notes file directly from a calendar event. To do this, open Google Calendar. Create a new event. This is optional, but you can add your meeting title, time, guests, and other event details. Click Add Description or Attachments, select Create Meeting Notes, then click Save. Once saved, it's automatically attached to the calendar event and shared with all invited guests, even those outside your organization. Google Docs works well if your team prefers taking notes manually, but if you'd rather stay fully engaged in the conversation instead of typing everything out, consider using Tactiq. Tactiq captures your meeting in real time on Google Meet, Zoom, and Microsoft Teams. It automatically generates transcripts, summaries, and action items so you can focus on the discussion while your notes are created for you. Try Tactiq.io for free today. Don't forget to subscribe for more Google Workspace tips.